Hello friend, this is my first unboxing video and in today's video I am going to unbox my new laptop HP 245G7. Before I get started, let me tell you one main and important thing. This is not any kind of sponsored video or a brand promotion. My grandfather gave me this laptop on my 20th birthday. My name is Rushil Kumar and you guys are watching Rushil Kumar, my YouTube channel. So let's just start it and we'll see what's inside this box. So as we can see, the logo of HP has been printed on the cardboard box, and the cardboard box is covered with a poly bag. Now let's open it and we'll see. So here the box is sealed with a very sticky tape. Now let's remove the tape and see what's inside this cardboard box. Everything is good. We have a warranty booklet and nobody wants to read it, so keep it side. And also we have a standard charging cable with the power brick inside this polythene. You can see everything in this box, and here is a laptop in a very soft and safe packaging. The packaging of this laptop is very great, and it is very safe and secure. Now let's remove this soft packaging and this polythene things. So friend, with this laptop is slightly heavier than a 14-inch laptop, and this is a black, dark and grayish in color. When it comes to the top side, we have a new reflective HP logo shining very well and full plastic surface. It's looking very attractive and iconic. With this, HP monogram has always been a part of the company's visual identity. This is the front view, and let's see the bottom. So we have a very big vent for the passing air, and with this vent we can prevent overheating in laptop. Make the computer cool down. We are about to open this laptop, and as you can see we cannot open it from one hand, so the one hand test is failed. We need our both hand to open it. Now let's remove this paper things and see its keyboard. So friend, with this is the first look of our HP laptop. We don't have any fingerprint reader in this laptop, and also don't have any VCD players. So here we can see the trackpad is very bigger in terms of surface area, and also a small stickers is here regarding about the customer care number, and here a small power button and the speakers integrated upon keyboard. The keycaps and keyboard give me best typing speed. And now let's come to its trackpad. It is also of very good quality and make a click excellent. For typing it's very excellent. And here is a very low quality face camera with a flashlight and a small internal microphone inbuilt. Now you can see it's clearly visible. Now let's start this laptop and click the power button to see. Well, this is the left side of laptop, and we have a cable slot, USB port, memory card slot, and also the power light which is blinking right now. This is the right side of laptop, and we have one headphone jack with two USB port, one HDMI port, network jack and power connector. So here laptop is fully charged and completely open. Now let's look at its camera. As you can see, it provides such a very good quality in such a cheap and low budget laptop. This will be good for video chatting and live streaming. Front camera with flashlight, these are very good, and we don't need to buy a webcam for this system. With this laptop we can also charge our mobile phones. You can see here it is a fully completely discharged mobile with 1%, and it is charging very slowly. This laptop is currently open at its maximum angle. Here a maximum angle is about 150 degree to 120 degree, and this is also running very smoothly. One another great thing about this laptop is the speakers are present above the keyboard, so it will give a great quality of sound. So friends, we are going to run the internet in this system and showing you a picture and sound quality of my recent YouTube video. So you can see here YouTube is open, and search my name Rushil Kumar, and here my channel is here at the first position, and you can see my recent video on robot versus Android versus cyborg is here. Now I'm going to click it and see. That work automatically and can do some tasks that human can do. Robots are evolving all the time and also having a growing impact on our daily life. So sound quality is also very good, and now let's see a HD quality. Here it is a 720p. Click it and we'll see it in full screen. So you can see the brightness and everything. The picture quality is very great. The display is also very beautiful. Now I'm going to close this, and here is a start button, and we are going to shutting down it. Here is a power button, and click to shut down. Our laptop is shutting down. Now let's close it. Here it's over. So friend, as you all know, this is my first face cam video and I'm showing you my face for the first time. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to end this unboxing video. So if you like my new HP laptop, please like my video, share it more and more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos and technical content. Thanks for watching full video.